guys, so it is time to get to work. Today I am making lip scrubs, and I also have to do a squeeze tube failed order. She ordered 20 tubes, but first we're gonna start with the lip scrubs. So this customer ordered 10 of each, bubblegum, birthday cake, and cotton candy, and then I also have to make an extra cotton candy for a retail order. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I have a feeling that this is not gonna be enough for 10. So here's bubblegum, perfect texture. This is the finished product. So pretty. I'm very happy that the colors came out how I wanted them to. Every batch is different. These are handmade, obviously, y'all know that. So every batch will not be the same. Sometimes the blue will be darker, lighter. It just depends on how much pigment I add, but every batch is different, which makes them unique. And I already got my pictures. So I always make sure I take some pictures so I can post on Instagram. I just pick out the best one. So here's some that I just took. And I got a video. Always make sure you're getting content. Always. So yeah, that's it. And here are the lip scrubs once again. The perfect texture. And this size is 2 ounce. For more information about our lip scrubs, click the link in the description box and you can read all about it. And these are also available for retail as well. All right, so now I'm about to go ahead and fulfill the silver top squeeze tube order. So she chose 3 glosses. She chose the glosses Simplicity, Go Getter, and High Class. And squeeze tube wholesale is always fully stocked, so if you're interested, click the link in the description box. And we have small and large quantities available. So I'm gonna wipe these off, make sure everything is good, and then I'll be back to put the tops on. If you're watching this video, thank you so much for the support. And this is what she ordered: birthday cake lip scrub, and then Simplicity. Look how clear that is. So I'm about to go ahead and pack this up and drop it off at the post office right now. I just want to add that clip in because she left a comment. Thought it was very sweet. I hope that you all enjoyed the video. I'm about to go ahead and pack these up real quick and ship them off today. This is a little retail order that I have to ship off. So if you didn't know, we do offer our lip scrubs for retail. I'm pretty sure I said it earlier in the video, but this is how they will look. Cute little label. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you'll be notified every time that I upload. And I will see you all in the next video.